and welcome to the Hide Your Garden TV channel. In this brief video we will look at VitaLink Heat. VitaLink Heat is a biostimulant formulated to help the plant deal with the stress of growing in cold and frosty conditions. Applying heat allows a plant to thrive when temperatures drop below 5 degrees. Heat is available in 250ml and 1 litre bottle sizes. For more information on VitaLink, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.